Want to spice up your Word document with eye-catching visuals pulled straight from Google Images? Let's get started. First, the quickest, but sometimes trickiest, method is to simply copy and paste. Find your desired image on Google Images. Right-click on the image in the menu that pops up, select Copy Image. Now, go back to your Word document and place your cursor where you want the image to appear. Right-click again, and select your preferred paste option. The first option will paste the image as is. Experiment with the different paste options to see what works best for your document's formatting. If copying and pasting messes with your formatting, here's method number 2: saving the image. Again, right-click on the image in Google Images, but this time, select Save Image As. Choose a location on your computer and give the image a name you'll remember. Click Save. Back in Word, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click on Pictures, then select this device. Navigate to where you saved the image, select it, and click Insert. Finally, Word has a built-in online picture search feature. Again, go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, but this time choose Online Pictures. You can use the Bing image search right within Word. Type your search term, browse the results, select the image you want, and click Insert. And that's it. 3 easy ways to insert images from Google into your Word document. Now go make your documents visually stunning.